Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw some bacon strips. Let's start off by drawing a long wavy line like so. Then, draw a short jagged line on one side, followed by another long wavy line that follows the general shape of the first line, but should be slightly different. Finally, close the shape out with another jagged line like so. Repeat these steps again for another strip of bacon. Your bacon doesn't need to match exactly. In fact, bacon always tends to have slightly different shapes. To add some texture, draw some stripes on the bacon with very thin jagged lines, each with one thin stripe and then one wide stripe. And now you've got some bacon strips.